Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up Altaufik VPN on your device. This app supports different protocols including UDP, SSH, and even gaming servers, making it a versatile option for private and secure internet use. Whether you want to improve your online privacy or enjoy smoother gaming, this guide will walk you through the setup. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon at the top of the screen, and in the search bar type Altaufik VPN. From the list of results, make sure to select the correct app, as shown on screen, to avoid confusion. Tap on the app name to open its download page. Here you'll see the install button. Tap it to begin downloading and installing Altaufik VPN. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. Once installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch the app. When the app opens, you'll land on the home screen. Here you'll find two main sections, one for servers and one for protocols. Let's start with the server menu. Tap on it to view the available servers. You can either use the default server or choose a gaming server for lower latency and smoother gameplay. Next, go to the Protocol menu. Altaufik VPN offers several options including UDP, SSH, DNS, and gaming protocols. Each has its own advantages. For this tutorial, we'll use the UDP protocol since it's widely known for speed and reliability, especially useful for streaming or gaming. Once you've selected your preferred server and protocol, return to the home screen and tap the Start button. This will begin the connection process. After a few seconds, you should be connected. To confirm everything is working, tap on the menu button in the top corner and select Check IP. Your new IP address will appear, confirming that the VPN is active. And that's it. You've successfully set up Altaufik VPN on your device. You're now ready to enjoy secure, fast, and stable browsing or gaming. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.